Ever wonder why marshmallows are so puffy and sweet? Today, we're diving into the science behind these delightful treats. Marshmallows are a confection made from sugar, water, and gelatin. The mixture is whipped to create that soft but solid texture we all know. The key to marshmallows' fluffy texture lies in the process of whipping air into a hot sugar syrup. This creates millions of tiny bubbles that gelatin stabilizes. The temperature of the sugar syrup is critical. Even a few degrees above the ideal range can make marshmallows firmer. The target temp is around 20-40 degrees Celsius. Gelatin acts as an emulsifier and stabilizer, allowing air to be whipped into the mixture without collapsing. This is why marshmallows hold their fluffy shape. Corn syrup is often added because it has a higher ratio of fructose to glucose, which prevents the sugar from crystallizing and keeps the marshmallow soft. Marshmallows are essentially foams stabilized by gelatin. This simple composition makes them versatile ingredients in baking or as a snack on their own. So there you have it, the science of marshmallows. Do you know any fun facts about this sweet treat? Share them in the comments!